Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the COM surrogate is experiencing high CPU or disk usage on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on it and select Run as Administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now I will have two commands in the description of my video, guys. Go ahead and copy the first one. It's going to be the system file checker utility. So go ahead and copy that and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window, right click on it, select edit, and then paste it in. Hit enter to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that one is finished, go ahead and copy the second command in the description of my video and go ahead and paste that one in here as well. It appears I accidentally added a period at the end. I'm just going to go ahead and remove that and then paste it back in. Again, DISM space / online, and then space / cleanup / image space / restore health. I accidentally had a little period at the end, so I removed that, and now I just ran it again. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here, and then you want to restart your computer. Now, hopefully at this point you should be good to go. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.